Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Moen kitchen garbage disposal buzzing or humming. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have the Moen kitchen garbage disposal and it turns on. However, it actually doesn't spin. All it does is just buzz and hum. So if you ran into this issue, I'm here to help you just because I fixed it myself. And so here's what you're going to do. First, you're going to need two tools. You need a flashlight, and then you need a sturdy metal tool like this one here. So this is a carpenter's tool right here. And so once you have these two tools, you want to go ahead and unplug your Moen kitchen garbage disposal just for safety reasons. Next, what you're going to do is that you're going to pull the black rubber mat that's inside the sink. So go ahead and pull that out. And then with your flashlight, you see that little hole right there. Okay, you want to find that hole just because for me, that was a pretty good hole to put this metal tool in. Okay, so it's pretty, see how it fits just like that? And now I'm able to get a good grip and I'm able to turn it 360. So you can use a fork, spoon, or a knife, but when I tried that, it was kind of flimsy and I felt like I was gonna break my fork, spoon, or knife. So that's when I decided to use this tool right over here. So use a sturdy tool and then you want to unjam it or spin it until it turns 360 degrees. So you're basically just going to grab this and then keep on spinning and trying to unjam it until it turns 360 degrees. Now once that's able to turn 360 degrees, you want to go back underneath your sink, and behind your kitchen garbage disposal, there's going to be a red button. So next what you're going to do is that you're going to plug back in your Moen kitchen garbage disposal. And then you're going to make sure that this red button is pressed on. Just because what might happen is that because your Moen kitchen garbage disposal is jammed, the red button is going to pop out. It's like a safety circuit to prevent it from overheating. But that is essentially how to go ahead and fix your Moen kitchen garbage disposal. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, let me know down below. I'd love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.